I have got a great week in my studio live this week that you can join for 7 days. It's the 7-day PRIME Health and Wellbeing week, and you get access to 3 Zoom masterclasses kicking off on Sunday night with Stick Fitness Pilates. We've got a class every morning, a different workout at 6:30 live. Lower body, upper body, cardio, strength. We've got stability ball, we've got 90-60-30, all brilliant workouts that are designed for the PRIME program. Then every day we have healthy tips and well-being around the menopause. Menopause tips, strategies, updates, how we can move through this period of our life. I'm excited about this week. It's going to be phenomenal as always. And if you would like to join me for 7 days and experience this wonderful program, click the link below and I'll see you on Sunday in the group.